Replicate your data for disaster recovery with BlueXP Workload Factory using NetApp SnapMirror. NetApp SnapMirror allows you to create a mirror copy of your data, which you can fail over to in case of a disaster. When replicating an FSx for ONTAP file system with SnapMirror, the source data is copied to another FSx for ONTAP file system, creating a mirror copy of the data. Automated copying intervals can be defined to meet the recovery point objective. In each update, only new or changed data is copied, resulting in quick and efficient data transfers. Whenever a disaster strikes and the source file system is unavailable, the destination data is available and applications can instantly fail over and access their data. Now let's see an easy way to replicate data for disaster recovery between two file systems using BlueXP Workload Factory. Open BlueXP Workload Factory and go to your storage inventory. Select the file system you want to replicate and click Manage. Go to the Replication Relationships tab and click Replicate File System. Choose the destination file system from the drop-down menu. You can set the replication transfer rate and set its intervals and retention to meet your RPO. If you want, you can copy and use the API request automatically created in the code box on the right. Click Create to run the replication. You're done. We are now replicating the source file system to our destination file system according to the schedule we defined. Use Workload Factory to easily replicate your FSx for ONTAP file system for disaster recovery.